Charlie Chaplin's daughter played Charlie Chaplin's mother in the 1992 biopic Chaplin. The Japan's Okinawa Island has more than 450 people living above the age of 100 and is known as healthiest place on the earth. Hollywood actress Angelina Jolie recently shot for a magazine cover for which she had to sit with bees for almost 18 minutes. We can't land on the planet Jupiter because Jupiter's surface is actually made up of clouds. Alba Forrest, well known for her role in Money Heist as Nairobi, spoke fluent Telugu in the 2013 film Vicente Ferrer. Snapchat once created a post in which they were asking people to slap Rihanna. Rihanna got angry and asked her fans to delete Snapchat. Due to it, Snapchat shares dropped heavily by $10 billion loss. It's 30 times bigger than Rihanna's own net worth. When Thomas Edison needed a wheelchair in his final years, his friend Henry Ford bought one too, so they could have wheelchair races. A 16-meter high glass surge in the shape of a high-heeled shoe has been built in Taiwan. The total screen time of Marvel Cinematic Universe is 3000 minutes. That's why Tony in Endgame said, "Love you 3000 times." The Infinity Burial Suit is made from mushrooms and is designed to deliver you to nature quicker and cleaner. Here is a mask of elite Roman cavalry used during parades. It was found in the Netherlands and dates from the 1st century CE. If you ever locked yourself in bathroom, cried, washed your face and came back like nothing happened, then you are too strong. Julius Michael Johannes, Maggie, the man who gave the brand its name. Vin Diesel got paid $54 million, which are around 400 crores, for just saying "I am Groot" as a voice artist for Groot character in Marvel movies. Hyundai Nexo only emits water vapor and purifies the air to 99.9%, so the gas emitted by the vehicle is purer than the ambient air. In 1997, Bill Gates invested $150 million in Apple so the company would not go bankrupt. Rapper Lil Nas X unveils Nike satin shoes containing human blood limited to 666 pairs. The 3D printed Batman suit created by electrical engineer Julian Checkley holds the Guinness World Record for the most functional gadgets on a cosplay suit. I knocked and cried for him to open the door, begging him to believe he was not the last man on earth. He reluctantly opened to see me smiling from both my mouths, realizing too late that he was right. An Amazon tribe won lawsuit against an oil company, saving millions of acres of rainforest. This student creates a bike wheel with pollution filters that purify the air while you cycle. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.